that to Radhakshmi Joshi as well, political analyst who's also live with us. Radhakshmi Joshi, as far as, of course, now power sharing goes, do you believe the Home Ministry could possibly go now to Eknath Shinde and the Finance Ministry to Ajit Pawar? Will that be the final formula which seems to have cracked the deal to make everyone happy in the Mahayuti?
Uday, and yes, we have spoken about this earlier in the day also. And as expected, Devendra Fadnavis is the new chief minister. But I don't believe that the BJP will give the post of the home ministry to anybody else. So Devendra Fadnavis ji has held this post ever since he became the chief minister for the first time, and even in the last 2.5 years also. So I don't think that that could have happened. But very frankly, I don't think that Mr. Eknath Shinde had too much of a choice, because you must have also heard those rumors where people were saying that the BJP and Mr. Ajit Pawar can also form the government. So there were rumors to that effect also. So it was not as if the BJP needed Mr. Eknath Shinde. But yes, the BJP is known to keep the allies intact, because even in the first time around when Narendra Modi ji became the PM, if you remember, that the BJP did not need any alliance partners as such. But even then, they kept all the NDA allies with them. They gave them the ministries, and the same thing happened in 2019 as well. And even though, yes, now 2024, the NDA did need alliance partners, but then in the past also they have shown that even when they did not need any alliance partners, they have kept the alliance partners intact with them. Similarly, this time too, the BJP does not want to lose either of the alliance partners. And very frankly, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis is the only person who can handle both Eknath Shinde as well as Ajit Pawar. So if it was Eknath Shinde at the helm of affairs, there would have been a lot of tips between him and Mr. Ajit Pawar, to be very frank, because they are at ideological two different ends. And Mr. Devendra Fadnavis is somebody who holds them both together. So they are this adjustment or this kind of a situation where Devendra Fadnavis ji stepped down to become the DCM was only because of some technical and legal formalities when he took over as the deputy chief minister instead of becoming the chief minister. So this time around, there was no such reason. There was nothing to hold him back. So there was no reason for him to again take the role of the deputy chief minister. Whereas Mr. Eknath Shinde right now does not hold the cards, in spite of the fact that he did do a very good performance, and in spite of the fact that they did have a very good strike rate. But I don't think that he is in that position of power to say that I want the home ministry and I want to be the chief minister, otherwise I will not be a part of the government, because then he will be in a losing position. And the BJP right now does not need two alliance partners, to be very frank. But then at the same time, I think the BJP definitely is in a advantageous position, because both the alliance partners will know that they are not in the position to call the shots.
All right.